What is up, crypto love? Welcome. It is another beautiful Monday. It is Monday, October 23rd, I hope. And we are bringing you another episode, weekly recap. Gosh, everything in the crypto world is just exciting. Every week is exciting. There's always stuff going on. I tell you, if you are bored with life, get into crypto because you will never have a spare moment. Now, before we get started, I just want to say thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you to everyone watching the videos. Thank you to everyone clicking subscribe. I mean, look at this stuff. Video from yesterday got 2,000 views in 24 hours. Video from a couple days ago, 6,000 views in a couple days. You like me. You really like me. Oh my gosh. And then also, dude, thank you to all you clicking on the like button. Just mash on that thing. If we get 50 likes for this video, that would be cool. Another thing, notice, we have another late night live stream coming up tomorrow night, Tuesday at 10:30 p.m. Late night live stream. We'll be talking about Bitcoin, gold, and all that other stuff going on. Anything else you guys want to talk about, that is the time to do it. So let's get into things. All right, first starting with some news. All right, look at this. Bitcoin sells at $9,500 in Zimbabwe. That's exciting because right now it's like almost $6,000 here. So that means that it could go way up. And the reason this is happening in Zimbabwe is just because there's political unrest. Like, people don't know what to put their money into. But it's crazy because Bitcoin already at $10,000 in Zimbabwe. That means it's probably going up here. There was an article I showed on a late night live stream. Some dude who knows his money thinks that Bitcoin is going to go up to $24,000 in the next, or $27,000 in the next 4 months. That could be crazy. Watch out for that happening. Next news, you guys might have heard about this, probably heard about the scandal with Bittrex. There were some account closures. People lost, one dude, his account was closed. He had 6 Bitcoin in there. That's like 30 grand that he lost in there. Jeez. So it was basically customers of Bittrex who had opened up help tickets or had contacted the exchange's Slack channel and their accounts were closed. It mostly affected countries like Syria, Iran, India, Russia, Pakistan, Turkey, but their accounts were closed for like 3 days with no warning, not telling them anything. Basically, when they went to log in, they got a screen like this that was just like, crazy. And they tried reaching out, no response, whatever. So very poor response from Bittrex on that one. Apparently, it has been cleaned up. In this follow-up article, Bittrex said that basically it was less than 0.1% of accounts, and they were just doing compliance reviews. So, fortunately, it wasn't a Mt. Gox. People didn't lose tons of money, but, you know, it put people on edge. Another reason for decentralized exchanges. Bittrex, please don't close my account. Now, furthermore this week, we had the Swell by Ripple conference, same time as the CBOS conference in Canada. Former Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke talked about Ripple, and he said that Bitcoin is unlikely to succeed. However, he touted Ripple quite a bit. So, let's see what happened in light of his recent things. So, in the week that Ben Bernanke said Ripple's going to do well, oh, Ripple goes down. It's bad. It's looking real bad. Look at that. How about Bitcoin? It's not going to succeed, right? Oh, Bitcoin's going up. That's good. Bitcoin's going up. Oh, maybe he doesn't know what he's talking about. I mean, he may be right. A lot of people say that money needs government backing or else we can't deal with stuff on our own, you know. Apparently, people can't survive without governments. But the best type of government is the least government. That's what a lot of people say. That's what I think. And whatever. On to the next thing. Bittrex issues a official statement about Bitcoin Gold. So in case you guys haven't, listened to anything in the past month about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is having another fork in a day or two. And Bitcoin Gold, all right, everybody's wondering, how do I get my Bitcoin Gold? Well, it turns out now if you just have Bitcoin in Bittrex, if you trust them anymore, you will get free Bitcoin Gold. Very cool. That's great. So they're supporting it. Also, if you take a look at the Bitcoin Gold website, they do have a website. However, they're not really transparent in terms of what's going on with the whole project. But we'll find out eventually. If you take a look down at the bottom, they have their ecosystem. So also listed here, they have HIT, BTC, Yobit, all these other ones. Potentially, if you have your Bitcoin there, you may also get your Bitcoin Gold match. Don't hold me to that. I have not seen statements that say that, but do your own research. Best way, your keys, your money, you hold the private keys on something like a Ledger Nano or whatever it is, you get your Bitcoin Gold. Now, on to the exciting stuff. Let's check out the movers and shakers, see what's happening in this crypto environment. All right, you guys know Every Monday when I do the weekly recaps, I like to look at the past 7 days of crypto and see what's moving and shaking. So to do that, you just click the view all here on CoinMarketCap, and you can see what's happened in the past 1 hour, 24 hours, and 7 days. Now, this has been a slow week for Bitcoin. I mean, only 2% growth. Jeez, terrible. Ben Bernanke was right. It is not going anywhere. But scrolling down a little bit further, little gain from Stratus. Now, I could foresee something because we also see a gain from Neblio this week. They're both into that enterprise blockchain solutions, so that could be part of the Stratus rise. But let's see some bigger movers and shakers, and we really got to scroll down this week to see them. First one, we have Vertcoin, 86%. What a winner. All right, next we have Regal Coin. No, that's a piece of crap. Next we have, where are we going? Neblio. Neblio, 58%. ZenCash, 234%. What else? Asch, 77%. SmartCash, 61%. So we'll take a look at all those, talk about them, tell you what's going on with them, and beginning with Vertcoin, the people's coin. All right, the true idea of cryptocurrency. Now, Vertcoin went from $1 to a high of over $4. Now it's down to $3.11. Wow, that was a wild ride. Everybody loved it. Okay, and here's why. Vertcoin is a decentralized currency owned by its users. It's the people's coin. It is so simple, such a simple concept, so easy. They do such a great job. They have a great backing of community. If we take a look here, they have some awesome stuff going on. So why Vertcoin? That's a great question you should ask with any cryptocurrency. Why this crypto over just hodling Bitcoin? Vertcoin. Decentralized mining. So the same thing Bitcoin Gold is trying to do, be ASIC resistance. Vertcoin already does that. They're ASIC resistance. Also, they have a one-click miner, which is in its beta right now, soon to be out. Makes it super easy for anyone with a graphics card on their computer to start mining Vertcoin. Crazy awesome, right? They have their web wallet. They have active developers and teams. They also have partnership with MIT in the Decentralized Currency Initiative. Crazy, right? I know you guys love my hands when I do this stuff. They also are SegWit activated, so larger blocks. But here's the cool stuff. Lightning Network, stealth addresses, atomic cross-chain. Look at that stuff. Lightning Network, super fast transactions, stealth addresses, so we all love our privacy, and atomic swaps. That is cool. Vertcoin does all that stuff, all right? And no wonder the price is going up. I mean, it's got it all. And it's just basically a currency. One of the reasons why cryptocurrencies came around, to be an exchange of currency. And this does it. So we saw a big pump in Vertcoin. Some other things they have in December or something coming up. Let's see what. Okay, so they also have something coming up in December, I believe. If you want more, watch that video I just made about Vertcoin. That has all the information. I can't remember it all right now. Next one, Neblio. Neblio also saw some huge gains this week. $4.41 now. It went from $1 last month to $2 a week ago to $4.41 now. Why? Probably, I mean, I've done some research. They seem like a very good coin. I think because they have the backing of some very big crypto names like Dash. I mean, he talks big about Neblio. This is the one coin that he owns. It's not on Bittrex. All right. If you look at it, you got to go to Cryptopia, open an account there. People are very bullish about Neblio, especially when it makes it to a large exchange. If we take a look at the coin, Neblio is a crypto for enterprises, which means big businesses, for those of you who don't know what blah, 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 blah means out there. But here's why Neblio is so awesome, why everybody wants it. Because they're 100% proof of stake, and they have some very interesting staking methods where it ensures kind of equal rewards, so you can't go in as a whale and take up most of the rewards. But, so you can stake this token, they're going to work with enterprises, they're decentralized and secure. Cool token. I also did a video about this. Now, if you take a look at my video about this, I don't know what happened there. It got 200,000 views somehow. I think someone just spammed some views and likes in there because no crypto videos anywhere get that many views. But whatever, it was cool. It was exciting for a little bit. My heart beat out of my chest. I thought I was getting to be huge. Didn't happen yet. Next time, all right? Here's another one, ZenCash. Now, ZenCash has exploded recently, mostly because they were recently listed in the Palm Beach Confidential, this confidential newsletter that only goes out to 180,000 people about cryptos. I think last month, Gas was one of the most important ones. This month, ZenCash, and I think they might be dead on. Now, ZenCash right now is at pretty much all-time highs. It went from $7 all the way up to $24. And if you got in early, bah, my oh my, that is nice. However, you can get ZenCash on Bittrex, so it is easily accessible to everyone. If we take a look at it, it is a pretty cool concept, okay? So ZenCash, really, a fork of Bitcoin was called Zcash, a fork of Zcash was called Zclassic, and a fork of Zclassic is now called ZenCash. ZenCash is pretty cool because in addition to private transactions, you can also privately publish stuff. And that, it is the big brother breaker, okay? No more big brother. We don't have to worry because you can publish anything. So if you want, you can troll my YouTube comments and nobody will know who it was because it's just completely anonymous. But I think that they have a very good team behind them. They have a lot of activity. I mean, if you look at their blog, they're constantly updating. If you look at their YouTube channel, they're constantly posting videos, giving bi-weekly updates, weekly updates, everything. And it's a very cool concept. I mean, so basically there's going to be no more suppression of information, all right? That way, whistleblowers, they can feel free to do it. The government can't hold you back from declaring injustices. This is something that could potentially be a really big project out there because it'll allow freedom, true freedom of speech, not like whichever amendment freedom of speech, but actual real freedom of speech because you don't have to worry about retribution from people who don't want you to say it. Crazy. Next one, we have Asch, okay? Asch is up huge recently. It went from 38 cents to 64 cents, doubled in the past day. Why? I can't figure it out. They're only on BitZ, and also they're basically an identical Chinese copy of Lisk. All right? I love Lisk. Lisk is awesome. Go buy Lisk. They're not even paying me to say that. But Asch, I don't know. It's JavaScript only. They have side chains. They have decentralized applications. They have delegated proof of stake. So it's an identical copy to Lisk. There is some development. I mean, maybe they've been around for a while. Maybe they've been doing this stuff, but I just saw an identical copy of Lisk and I just said, bah, whatever. I'll just put my money with Lisk because I believe in them. But that's just me. Some people don't, you know. Watch my video on Lisk. That's another good one. Next, SmartCash. SmartCash has seen a big jump recently, up from 3 cents to 6.5 cents recently. It was up to a high, actually, of, can I get there? 10 cents, a high of 10 cents. And why? SmartCash is actually doing good around the world. Okay, so they are a crypto that is based on community governance, okay, that is good, that is based on doing good things around the world. They didn't have this giant ICO that was just a cash grab. They're building a community, and then they're helping other communities in places like Venezuela and Vietnam, places where they need help. They're going to do this. So SmartCash, they have the Smart Hive, which is their like community, the governments. They have the rewards. So basically for holding SmartCash, I think you need at least 10,000 SmartCash to hold on to, or maybe it's 1,000. One of the two, either. But you hold on to it, and then you get rewards. Crazy. Okay. Also, if you want to take a look at some of the things that they're working to do, you can go to Smart Hive Voting and take a look at some of these proposals that they have. If you're in the community, you use this coin to vote, and then potentially you can get your ideas funded and actually help people around the world. Awesome. I mean, look at that. Using the blockchain to help people in the world. Yes. Cool. All right. So that's basically it for the cryptos of the week. What's been going on with them? Now you ask, what am I up to? Well, what did I buy this week? As per every week, I do my dollar cost averaging of Bitcoin. I saw a very low price of Ethereum today, so I bought another Ethereum because I want to hold at least 10 in case you need that 10 for staking. Also, here's what else I was buying. So as I said in my top undervalued crypto for 2018, leading up to the Bitcoin gold thing, I first saw the price of Bitcoin going up and then afterwards kind of coming down. So I figured while the price is going up, I'll start investing in altcoins, which are at all-time lows, discounts. And the ones that I've been buying have been, actually, I'll just let you watch that video. If you want to know which ones I've been buying there, you could watch that top 5 undervalued cryptocurrencies of 2018 and give it a thumbs up, give it a comment, or call me a rookie pumper like Mike Reese did. I mean, he's a Bitcoin genius. He called me a rookie pumper. Guess what? I am a rookie. I haven't been around forever, but I'm making videos. I'm adding content. I'm contributing to the society. And one day I will be a rookie expert. No, I will be an expert pumper. That's what I'll be. Now, I thank you all for watching so much. If you like this episode, please click that subscribe button. Remember, Tuesday night at 10:30, we have a late night live stream coming up. I will try and fix those microphone issues so it'll sound a little bit better. But we'll be there, we'll be talking, we'll be having fun. I look forward to seeing all you guys there, all your smiling faces, even though I can't see you. And lastly, click that like button. Tell me what you think. What do you think about these cryptos? Which ones are going to blow up? Which ones are going to be big this week? Which ones are going to be big in November? Cool. That's it for the week. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Peace.